welcome to a walk around video on this lovely 66 registration Jaguar F-Pace S. Now this car does come with loads of specs, so I'll be going through all that throughout the video. It's finished in the lovely Storm Grey, which is a premium metallic. If you're familiar with your Land Rover products, that would be the equivalent to the Carpathian Grey. You do get these lovely upgraded 22-inch alloy wheels with your red brake calipers. Privacy glass to the rear. And this car does come with a full-size spare wheel and an electrically deployable tow bar. If we take a look inside, you do get the electrically deployable side steps as well as the Meridian surround sound. Full black leather throughout, and you do get the heated rear seats as well as the heated front. Moving on into the front of the car, as you can see there's Meridian surround sound. You do get the lovely sports seats with the S embossed headrests, and these are fully electric as well. You do have your heated steering wheel with your cruise control functions and your paddle shifts. And you do get the full digital driver's display, which will also give you the full map on the display. You do get surround view cameras on here as well. As you can see, deployable tow bar. Overall, just a lovely car with loads of specification and has covered only 21,500 miles from new. If you've got any more questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 648 648. Thank you.